Another day, another chance to review English. Review of complex prepositions. This review covers 19 complex prepositions in other worldwide ELT video lessons. For explanations of these complex prepositions, click on the Complex Prepositions playlist in the video description. Now, complete each sentence with the correct complex preposition. One. He lost the race, but it wasn't for lack of trying. Two. The school closed early on account of the heavy snow. Three. She kept swimming regardless of the strong waves. Four. The picnic was cancelled owing to the storm. Five. In terms of money, this project will cost a lot. Six. He brought cookies this afternoon in addition to the drinks he brought this morning. Seven. Please break the glass in case of fire. Eight. We used rice in place of bread in the sandwiches. Nine. She is in charge of the morning announcements. Ten. Most students were in favor of having a class trip. (11) In light of the new traffic information, we must change our route. (12) He joined the race in spite of having one leg. (13) We watched a movie instead of going out. 14. Everyone was invited to the party other than our boss. 15. She came to the party along with her brother. 16. The police motorcycle rode ahead of the marathon runners. 17. The cat ran away from the loud vacuum cleaner. 18. He unlocked the car door by means of the unlock button on his key fob. 19. She spoke on behalf of her friend, who was absent at the meeting. I hope you enjoyed this worldwide ELT English language teaching video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.